Hi there. Is Forex trading legit or a scam? Is what I want to talk about in this video. To summarize to you all, and as we're going to see in this video, Forex is a very legitimate market. But most of the times, the marketing around people partaking in Forex trading is usually a scam. This so because the marketing aspect of it most of the times is exaggerated, both from a perspective of different trading platforms out there and even by individual Forex traders who want you to use their trading strategy. They normally exaggerate it. For example, they tell you you're going to get 100% profit, 200% profit, and so forth. All this is geared towards enticing you to invest in Forex. In essence, no one out there is going to really put their money down in any market, for example, in case someone tells them there is a possibility of losing, or even you guys get, for example, 10% profit. So they're going to set a very high profit margin so that you think it is the best investment ever. So guys, Forex trading and the Forex market is very legitimate. In fact, it is the biggest trading market in the world. And I'm saying so because Forex alone is engaged in each and every day upwards of 5 trillion US dollars. Yes, not billion, 5 trillion US dollars. And even so, the Forex market is 30 times bigger than the stock market combined with the bonds market. That's how big the Forex market is. That's so because people out here are actively partaking in trading different currencies. And that's why I'm making this video to share with you 5 tips which you need to know or you need to be on the lookout for as you look forward to engaging in Forex trading. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. As you already might know, Forex trading is essentially about trading based on speculating movement of currencies out there. And of course, with this high trading volume per day, value upwards of 5 trillion US dollars, this tells you there is very high volatility in this market. In essence, there is very drastic movement in currencies in the market. And it is upon that traders bet on and they're able to make money through Forex. And by the way, one misconception out there is that Forex only entails day trading. In essence, trading for short spans of times, which most of the times are closed within 24 hours or even within the active time frame in the market. No guys, you can also partake in Forex trading through the long-term strategy, whereby you can open a position and close it even after months. But for most people out there, and even for most traders out there who actually advertise what they are doing, they normally pitch for day trading in Forex. But you're going to see even the advantages of long-term trading as I'm going to lay it for you in this video. So, what are the 5 tips which you need to be on the lookout for you to be able to trade in a sober manner in Forex market? Tip number 1, you need to know that Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. What do I mean? Like any other investment out there, you cannot make money in what you don't know. It's just as simple as that. You cannot make money in what you don't know. And even if you know about it, you need to be very intentional about possibly making money. And even that is beyond you. So, you need to understand that Forex is not and will never be a get-rich-quick scheme. As such, you need to know fundamentals of economic analysis and also technical analysis for you at least to enhance the positioning of your trades or even to enhance your know-how of the market. So anything relating to, for example, understanding the trading charts, understanding different trading strategies and so forth, you need to up your game on that so that you are on top of your game when it comes to economic analysis and also technical analysis. This knowledge is going to really assist you know how to go about in the Forex market, because without this knowledge, chances are you're setting yourself up to failing and you're going to be among the over 99% of the noise traders. Most of the times the market constitutes majorly noise traders. You don't want to be part of the noise traders. You want to be an informed or money trader. So learn the fundamentals of economic analysis and technical analysis for you to set yourself apart from the noise traders, right? And then the second tip, and in fact something you need to brace yourself for, is that you need to know that Forex day trading has very intense impact on your emotions and even mental well-being. This is something most people out there won't tell you, more so when you're wanting to get into this space. They're going to tell you, for example, try with a demo account. If you see some trades are successful, jump in it full throttle, put down your money. Put down your money, in fact, use leverage. You're going to be able to make more and more money. Yes, there is a possibility of making more and more money, but you need to know that also this has intense bearing on your emotions and mental well-being. This so because it's as simple as it is, guys. Think about it. What if you put your money down on something and then you have to wait, for example, for 30 minutes, for 2 hours to see the outcome? And even can be worse, for example, that's the only thing you're doing. Just imagine you staring at the market trading charts, trying to see the movement of different currencies out there. Please be sure it has an intense emotional and mental well-being on you. That's why it doesn't hurt, for example, to occasionally try even long-term trading, whereby you open positions and close on them or square up even after some months, even after some weeks. It doesn't really hurt. You don't really need to fully partake in day trading. Of course, it is a good thing, but be sure it's going to really have an impact on you emotionally. And with that, it means that also you need to develop good emotional coping mechanisms. Because guys, to give you an example, in case you invest heavily in Forex and your money goes down the drain as you are watching, as you are seeing all the market signals going against you, of course, someone can say, for example, you can have a stop order. Yes, you can have a stop order, but a negative is a negative. A loss is a loss. It's just as simple as that. So develop good coping mechanisms and you're going to be at a better position while trading in Forex, right? And then guys, the third tip you need to know when it comes to Forex trading is that chasing losses blindly and even stacking trades is a very bad thing, more so if you know what you're doing. Look at it this way. If one trade is bound to result to a loss, then you continuously chasing losses without really having a strategy, it means that you're gonna actually lose more money. Or even so, in case you're stacking more and more trades without really having any strategy, it only means that actually you're gonna also lose a lot of money. It is as simple as that. Just use common sense when you are partaking in trading. Trade in a controlled manner. More so in case you haven't really built your knowledge base extensively. Go slow on it and you're gonna be able to learn through the ropes of Forex trading. Don't jump in it full throttle and even don't stack trades for the sake of it. More so if you don't know what you're doing, because all this is bound to result into a loss. So use common sense and you're gonna be able to at least salvage something in the Forex market. And also understand that actually the learning is long term. Just because you're chasing a loss, it doesn't mean that you're gonna recoup the money you put down. Also, you need to understand and also appreciate that walking away is not bad. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. It's just as simple as that. And if you lose, it doesn't mean you have to chase the loss. Actually, you can even walk away, maybe again, return to trade maybe the next day or even after a few days. You don't really need to chase a loss for you to be able to make money in Forex trading, right? And then the ninth tip, which you need to know when you're partaking in Forex trading, is that you can never and will never beat the market. It's just as simple as that. No one ever consistently beat the market out there. So don't think miracles are going to happen for you to be able to beat the market. No, you will never beat the market. As such, what you need to do is to develop a trading strategy, to refine a trading strategy, and see how it adopts different trading conditions and also different situations over time. You could, for example, use price action trading strategy combined with something else. And I'm saying so because most traders out there usually use some form of price action and combine with other strategies out there. But it is upon you to develop your own trading strategy and then see how it is suitable for you and also suitable for your needs. But the long term and also the end goal is that you will never beat the market. As such, you need to know that you are actually a participant in the market and play your position and see how you could possibly make some gains off the market. But you trying to beat the market only mean you're gonna get out as soon as you enter, because no one out there ever beat the market, right? And then the last tip which I want to discuss with you when it comes to Forex trading is that you need to know that even pros out there lose. As such, don't give up. As I said to you, Forex is a long-term game. The learning is long-term. for you to be able to turn in trades to make a profit is long term. As such, you need to know that even the pros of pros out there make losses. The only difference is that you need to aim to increase the margins of your wins and reduce the margins and frequencies of your losses. That's the only way you can stay on a positive trajectory in the Forex market. In essence, you can make profit, and even so, you won't really make profit continuously. So, aim to refine a strategy. Aim to be very careful about the market. Aim to learn more about Forex trading, and hopefully over time, you're going to be able to increase the margin of your profits and reduce the margin of your losses. And with that, you're going to be able to say you actively partaking in Forex and actually making a profit, at least consistently. What do you all think about these 5 tips? I hope you've gotten 1 or 2 which are exciting, and you look forward to implement them for you to be able to partake in Forex trading realistically, and even know that people out here don't consistently make profit in Forex, and even understand and appreciate that actually Forex market is very legitimate, but the marketing around it is what is an issue most of the times. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.